Hey, Steve Basic Architect out here at our historic reno project. So I panned around in the last video. We talked about that brick up on top. There's some of the remnants and pieces that Jim is saving, but I wanted to call your attention. Look at these cedar logs down there. What are those? You're asking. Well, those are 150-year-old Lally columns. Yeah, that's how they used to do it back in the day. Basically cedar logs. Go out there, limb them, strip off some of the bark, and you have an instant lolly column. We'll jump over here. We'll shoot a video of one and take a look at it more in depth. But yeah, I don't know what we're going to use them for, but Jim's got them all staged. That's what was holding up the floor before we moved to the new system here. So Steve Basic Architect out here at our historic reno.